think my favorite part of today was how hands-on the experience was with actually going into the lab and just learning the cell development.
I really appreciated the simplicity of it. So like in my chemistry class, we often use a pipette, but I thought it was really cool how while we were doing our first part of the lab, there's like a little machine that like sucks it out for you. And it's easy, it's simple, but I think it was really effective. And I also appreciated like the tour because I felt more involved and not many other organizations do that for high schoolers. So I appreciated that.
We're so grateful that North Orange County ROP was able to set up this experience with University Lab Partners. It really exposed our students to the process of building a biotech company and all the efforts that go into it.
And it's really amazing how we see this partnership, because this has been a dream of ours to finally be part of that, to finally have that learning extend outside the classroom.